Hello. We are at the Toronto International Airshow. So hopefully we can get some cool footage for you guys from the airshow. We got some really good performers here this year. I guess there's going to be the F-18s, some F-35s from the United States, and also the Snowbirds and many others. So it should be a good show. So we're looking forward to it. We got some great weathers. Looks like a lot of people is here already.
Yep, and we got a lot of handicapped people. Big one.
But I guess this year their air show they're doing there's no admission. You just you can sit anywhere on their 17-kilometer worth of a coast here where you can just be able to see the show. So, and the cloud, not a cloud in sight. Well, some, but very clear. Not so clear over there.
is Captain Richard McDougall, and I will be your narrator today. I was Snowbird 11 for 2020 Op Inspiration Tour. I'm also a former C-130 Hercules and CT-156 Harvard 2 instructor pilot with over 2,500 hours of military flying experience. 2,700 pounds of thrust, which propels the relatively light aircraft to speeds of over 400 knots. The straight wing design and the finely tuned controls make it a classic sports car of the air. With exceptional maintenance it receives from our highly qualified team of technicians, the Tudor continues to serve as the perfect platform for formation aerial demonstration display.
air show was really good show. I don't think the camera can do the sound and the feeling justice, you know, when you're live here. It's just amazing. The F-35, right?
Yes.
The F-35, holy cow, that thing sounds crazy.
I think it's good because the new one, even like the normal air show, no, the normal air show better.
Oh, because, well, yeah, they had to make some adjustment due to COVID, right? So they're not selling tickets, and they're just, you know, there was no sound, right? There was no speakers, no sound. There was a live app that you can have, but it's like 40-second delay, so really there was no use for it. It wasn't any good. But yeah, like the F-18 was amazing, and then the Snowbirds amazing, and then the F-35. That's
beautiful.
Yeah, that was great. That was a really good airplane to see.
Yeah.
Anyway, we are here for dinner now.
I can smell it.
Our favorite place.
We went to get 90-minute massage as well.
Oh yes, yeah.
Chinese
we needed that.
feet massage.
Foot massage.
That's a must do.
Yes, you gotta
You
go
walk
to
a lot.
Chinatown and get the foot massage.
Yeah.
When you're in Toronto. It's cheap and it feels so good.
Yeah.
Anyway, we are here. Fisherman Lobster Clubhouse. We are gonna have some amazing food.
Let's see if we're gonna have a lobster and crab or just
Yeah, we gotta see. And you see there's fish tanks all around this whole place here. Holy, look at that big giant crab in there. Alright, let's check out the menu here. Okay, this looks like
some Hong Kong lobster dessert.
okay, that's lobster,
Lobster in Hong Kong style.
yeah. Lobster salted egg yolk dinner for 3.
That.
Oh, this one.
Okay. Shark fin abalone lobster. Ooh, I like that. Shark fin soup, abalone lobster and garlic. I don't want lobster and garlic. If we had lobster.
And then these are for the bigger family, which we're not. And we're not eating for 10 to 12 people. No, we're gonna skip that. I think this is the one we want, okay?
What is that?
So this one right here. Shark fin, abalone, and crab.
Dinner.
King crab dinner.
Okay.
So we got shark fin, abalone, king crab, 6 pounds. Yeah, steamed large leg, white rice.
Okay, bottle of wine. We don't need wine,
No, that's pretty good.
but something that we don't need wine.
Okay, so we order what? A crab?
A 10-pound crab.
Yeah, so we ended up having to get the crab, but the smallest king crab they have is at least 10 pounds, okay? So we have to go upgrade to the 10-pound crab. We didn't go with the lobster, we got shark fins and we got abalone. We got a lot of food coming. For sure we're not going to finish it all.
Never, it's so big.
Yeah, and then we had to change our wine. It comes with a bottle of wine, but we don't really drink, so I think they changed it to some pop for us. Yeah, so it's good. We're looking forward to the food. It's going to be good food.
And I think we changed in the menu too.
Oh, the style.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's a Hong Kong style crab, but we had that last time. It was very good. That's the signature.
Yeah.
But you know, we like the salted egg yolk style more,
Better.
which is good, very good. So we upgraded to that. Okay.
Cheers.
Okay.
要加你240個8。
Okay.
錯咗。哎呀！
揸住去邊度啊？
哇！好重啊！
好重。 Wow, that's a big one.
Yes.
Okay, you're good to go. 10 pound is gonna be good. Yeah, you know what? 10 pound for king crab, that's like the perfect size. You know, you want to eat something around that size.
I mean, we cannot finish it. Last time we ordered 5.
Ours was only, last time was only 6 pounds.
No,
King crab. Yeah, I was 6 or 7 pounds, but there was 5 of us, and there was a 5 or 6 pound lobster, and we did not finish it all. So I'm sure there's gonna be a lot of leftover this time.
Because we already drink soup and then abalone.
Yeah.
Okay, some crab. And
Oh well. You know what? It'll be, because we'll be on the road for a couple of days. We'll be going to Ottawa and Quebec City. So it's good, you know, we'll be able to have some leftover at night for dinners and stuff like that.
Yeah.
So it'll be good. Shark fin soup came here. You want to try it? Do you want vinegar?
I don't like vinegar. I like with the pepper.
Abalone with pea shoots.
Let me try it with vinegar. I like the vinegar. It's the best.
Here's the first leg. It's the one with the egg yolk, right?
Yeah.
I mean egg white.
Egg white.
Egg white,
You
yeah.
can have egg yolk later.
Steamed, yeah. Oh yeah, they got
But Tim doesn't eat.
They got a whole box of gloves, but I don't need it.
I got nails, so I should.
So they got the crab all cut out for you here already.
Yeah.
So you just gotta pour it out.
If you don't want to use your finger, use your
You got gloves on. Get
I
in
know,
there.
but it's hot. It's hot. Let's try that.
Yes.
Really fresh. Really sweet.
So this is the salted egg yolk style. Actually quite cool. So earlier the dish was with all the long leg pieces, right? This one is like the claw and the joint and some of the skinnier leg pieces. Cooked a different style. Which one are you gonna pick?
We need to eat from the top.
I think so, yeah.
It's really hot. Okay. It's really hot, so be careful. I love this more than the garlic one. It's a bit saltier.
Yeah, the salted egg yolk is a really good style. So definitely, if you guys get to give it a try.
If you order the lobster and the crab, try one of each, right? This one can be salted egg. The lobster can be
The Hong Kong style.
Hong Kong style.
Yep.
You try them all.
So the meal also comes with more vegetable and also fried rice. So you get the head of the crab and get some fried rice. You know what? I don't think we'll be able to finish the fried rice at all. And all the vegetable, we'll try a little bit, but we're gonna have to take it to go. It's supposed to be a meal for two, but the crab was
10 pounds.
over 10 pounds, a little over 10 pounds. So that's 4 or 5 pounds extra right there. So that's quite a bit. And we don't eat that much, really.
We like to try everything.
Yeah.
And even it's big, but we want to taste it.
Yes.
Try it out.
This is the aftermath. It's like we haven't even touched it.
And the veggie, actually.
The rice. We had a few bowls of rice, very good rice, by the way. And the vegetable, yeah, I had some vegetable, but basically untouched.
Yeah.
That's okay. We'll pack it all up. And then that'll be like our dinner for a couple of nights.
Yeah, late
Really
night.
good dinner.
Late
night
night
dinner.
I
That's
would
what
love
it is.
that.
Love it. Looks like a little bit of dessert.
And here's the bill.
Here's the bill.
Buffet.
So this is the breakdown. So they do, they added all the service charge built into it already. All right, dinner is finished.
Oh.
Look at this. 3 doggy bags. Way too much food, but it's okay. It's good. We're gonna try to fit this into a tiny little fridge. And
Good luck.
yeah, well, we'll make it work somehow. But yeah, we gotta go back and go back to the campsite and get ready a little bit because tomorrow morning we're gonna pack up and then we're gonna go head towards what's the first stop?
Ottawa.
Ottawa, yeah,
Yeah.
Ottawa first. So yeah. Anyway, have a good night.
Good night.